Today, we're making Sarku Japan's Teriyaki Chicken. This small food court classic makes for a delicious lunch, so let's get cooking. We're gonna use 5 boneless and skinless chicken thighs. I recommend trimming as much fat as you can off the thighs. We'll then cut our thighs into about 2-inch long strips, just like Sarku Japan does. This bite size makes it easy to cook and portion. Don't worry if your cuts aren't perfect, we're really just aiming for the small bite-sized strips. For our marinade, we're going to use 1/2 cup of low-sodium Kikkoman soy sauce, 1 cup of water, 1/8 cup of Shaoxing rice wine, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 cup of canola oil. We'll carefully mix everything together and allow to refrigerate for at least 1 hour. While we wait, we can prepare our veggies. Cut 1 head of cabbage in half and cut 1/2 of the head into strips. We can then cut 5 carrots into angled slices. We'll go ahead and cook these up. We'll also prepare 4 cups of white rice in the background. If you don't know how to prepare rice in an Instant Pot, check out the video in the description below on how to do that. Now we're ready to cook. On a pan set to high heat, add about 1/2 of the sliced chicken. We'll let that cook until the marinade has cooked off and we start to see a nice browning. Be sure to mix things around to get a nice caramelization on multiple sides of teriyaki chicken. We'll give it a final toss and set aside. Repeat this process for the other half of the chicken. We're now ready to plate. We can scoop our rice and veggies into each container before portioning out our teriyaki chicken. This recipe makes 6 servings and provides a great balance of veggies, protein, and carbs. Just like at Sarku Japan, these bowls pack a delicious punch of flavor and are definitely a meal prep essential. If we look at our cost breakdown, we can see that each meal costs about $2 to make. This is a great price considering the rising cost of food both eating out and even at the grocery store. Compared to the actual Sarku Japan, this $2 homemade teriyaki chicken is about 1/4 of the price you'd pay eating out. Let me know how it goes down in the comments below, and let me know what foods you want to see next.